Hello and welcome to week 7 of LIBS 501. This week we are going to continue on our conversation and assignments from last week, looking at the steps of apply and acknowledge. So for this week, what I need you guys to be working on is for required materials, look through the week 7 instructor video, a video on how to write effective peer reviews, as well as giving feedback for peer review article from Purdue OWL. We have 2 assignments due this week, which is the Incorporating Sources and In-Text Citations assignment round 2, as well as the Incorporating Sources round 2 peer review post. So with our information literacy topic, as I mentioned before, we are continuing on from last week. So again, we're looking at the last 2 steps of the process of apply and acknowledge. While we're applying, it's incorporating information found into a specific project, and acknowledging is crediting that original source of information. So peer reviewing is kind of what we're also going to be focusing on this week with our assignment. So why do we peer review? So this allows us to provide constructive feedback to your classmates' work. It evaluates where the work excels and where additional work needs to be completed. And you can also observe how your classmates are formatting their work and presenting their arguments. It gives you guys some ideas as well as what you could do to present your arguments. And overall, it allows everyone to learn from one another's work. So for our kind of big assignment for this week is the Incorporating Sources and In-Text Citations round 2 assignment. So for this instruction, it'll be very similar to last week's assignment, but here you'll be writing an additional 2 paragraphs. Again, please use the feedback that I provided to you last week. So you're going to write, an additional 2 paragraphs of your essay, which has been assigned to you from your outside courses. And within your writing, include an additional 2 academic sources using those in-text citations. Again, your paragraphs cannot be the introduction or conclusion. It also cannot be the same paragraph submitted during round 1. So at the end of these 2 assignments, you will have at least 4 paragraphs looking at least 4 sources. So for this round, I do want you guys to provide a title page for your essay, and please use your outside courses information. This is your professor's name, your course title, etc., and format this page in APA style. So this will allow you to get some feedback on how to format that title page. And then also provide the reference list as well in APA style in alphabetical order. Again, the breakdown will be exactly the same as it was last week. 15 points for your writing style, 25 points for parenthetical documentation, which is your in-text citations, and 10 points for your citations and reference list formatting. Now, for the peer review side of this assignment. So for this assignment instructions, you are going to be posting your round 2 assignment of the Incorporating Sources and In-Text Citations assignment within the discussion board post, and you'll be kind of, again, posting that assignment to get peer reviewed by your classmates. Please upload this either as a Word document or a PDF to make it easier for everyone to look at. You will also be responding to 2 of your classmates' posts, workshopping those paragraphs. So think about different areas to provide constructive feedback, things like the main arguments and the strengths within those paragraphs, the balance between the author's thoughts and the sources they used, how those sources were introduced and incorporated into the paragraphs, other areas of improvement and or areas of kudos. So good jobs, this is where it really shone. So please make sure you're giving good feedback. Also, please make sure you're posting to give your classmates plenty of time to look at work. So for this week, what I need you guys to be working on is our required materials of week 7 instructor video, Odyssey's video on how to write effective peer review comments, and Purdue OWL's article on giving feedback for peer review. We also, again, have those 2 assignments due, so Incorporating Sources and In-Text Citations round 2. So it's an additional 2 paragraphs with an additional 2 sources. Please make sure you're posting that or submitting that one by Thursday. And then Incorporating Sources with that peer review post using the round 2 assignment is post your round 2 paragraphs along with the title page and reference list, and then respond to 2 of your classmates providing that feedback. The initial post is going to be due on Thursday, so submit your assignment and then post it onto the board, and then responses to your classmates are due on Sunday. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, or set up a one-on-one meeting, either virtually or in person. And I look forward to seeing what you guys have this week for your assignments and your paragraphs, and have a great rest of your week.